What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have iPhone 13, 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max and someone calls you but you miss the call because ringer volume was very low, such as in this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I'm gonna call at this phone to show you what exactly I'm trying to say. Okay, now let's make a call at this phone and let's see the ringer volume. Just wait 1 second. Okay, you guys can see it's very low. So what will be the first thing you will do to increase the ringer volume? Definitely you will press the volume up key all the way high, and it might fix your problem, but this solution doesn't work all the time due to a specific reason which I will tell you guys later on in this video. So let's increase the volume at the highest level and call back to see if problem is fixed or not. Okay, it's still low. By increasing the volume all the way high did not fix our problems, which means we have to check something in the settings to fix. Okay, now let me show you guys how to fix this problem. It's quick and easy. Need to go to in the settings and look for the option for sounds and haptics, and right here ringer and alerts. Like you guys can see right now it's at very low level, that's why it was not ringing louder. So and why these volume keys were not working to change the ringer volume, because as you guys can see, here's a button which says change with buttons is off. So if you want to use the volume keys to control the ringer volume, this should be turned on. Now let's see if it works. Now it's working. Now let's go back and make a call. Let's see if our problem is fixed or not. It's louder. So now let me take you back to the settings. So these volume keys can be pressed accidentally, and which might changes the ringer volume. That's why I prefer to keep this option off. And whenever you need to change the volume of the ringer, you guys can go in the settings all the way in this option and make it changes. So right now let me make it high all the way, and let's try one more time by calling. So our problem is fixed. I hope you guys like this video. So please subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.